So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel DigiWebEngineers. Today we are showing one ad campaign for one of my client which he heard before yesterday. So he was from France. He told me that his campaign are getting suspended when he is trying to run ads in Google Ads. The all campaign get rejected and he is unable to run his search and search campaign, right? So I'll show you his landing page. This is his landing page, and in France this product is banned, right? So you can check this product is banned. These products are also banned and we cannot use the word CBD. So I tried this landing page to do cloaking. So I have done cloaking and made a white page for this. I provided one button over here which is campaign. So this is a white page landing page. So I have created a white page landing page. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to approve our landing page, then and only Google Ad will allow you to run ads, right? So basically I cannot sell this product directly to Google Ads because it will get banned and suspended. So I tried this on white page landing page. You can check this. If I'll click on this button, you can check my website. This website will open. This is in French and all the content is in French, and as you can see I have done some cloaking in that, and these are my keywords, and this is my campaign which recently I have just done this campaign few minutes back. So you can check this. This is a bid learning 94 optimization score. If I'll click on this, you can check this is eligible campaign, and in the ad group I'll show you this is enable campaign, eligible campaign, and these are some broad match, exact match keywords which I have used. So if you come to the ads, then I'll show my ad. This ad is eligible, as you can check. So I have used landing page in this cloaked landing page, as you can. So one of the most impossible thing is Google will not allow, because its policies are very strict, and before 3 days back your ad campaign will get suspended. If you are facing such type of issues, then you can come to me. We can set up you a campaign in $100, or you can visit to my website, that is digiwebengineer.org, and I'll show you the second campaign also. This is for casino ads, and this is also eligible, and you can check there are some ad spent also. Few 10 to 15 minutes back I have run this campaign, even though 567 rupees is invested, and this is my campaign 10,000 budget, and you can see there are 50 clicks on my landing page, and this is also landing page which I have created. So in detailing, if you want to learn cloaking, how basically it works, then you can join my cloaking course. And in India we are only the institute which is providing online training, and you can say this is totally different from black hat ad account, and I am not using any kind of agency ad account from Kimi or someone else. I am using my simple basic ad account, and I have tried to cloak the landing page, and I have successfully run the campaigns, as you can check it here. And second campaign is this one is eligible campaign. And if you are facing such issues, then you can directly visit to my website, that is digiwebengineer.org. This is my website. You can come to this website and you can check the cloaking course. And in UK also we are the topmost institute which is providing cloaking course. In USA also we are providing cloaking course. So if you want if you don't want to learn cloaking, then you can set up your ad account in PPC. You can visit to my website and book an appointment with us. So thank you for, guys. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.